Here's the Homelite 520 I picked up. It's got a brush clearing bar, or what they call a brush clearing bar. It measures 26 inches of cut. The chain's pretty wore, so it's probably supposed to be a 24-inch bar. This is hard track there, patent pending. There would have been a piece come down like this on most of them that I've seen, so that you can push it down into the brush and cut it. Anyway, it's a nice saw. The only thing that's not on it right now is the ashtray cap. This says 520L, if you can see it there. Anyway, it's just an interesting saw. You don't see too many like this in Ontario. I'm not sure. I don't think this is the right shut-off valve. I think it should have come straight down. I don't know. I had to put a new fuel line on it. Carb kit. It had spark. Anyway, I'll just set this down and we'll start it up for you. Anyway, there you go, 520 Homelite. It's supposed to be 5 horse, 20 pounds. I think that would be just powered with nothing in it. Anyway, it's an interesting saw. I had it running prior to this video. It started up first pull. Yeah, it takes 2-3 pulls to start it when it's cold. They've got a throttle lock on it right here. Just pull that. Choke's in there. Manual oiler. Fuel shut off. Fuel goes in here. Your oil for your oil tank. All the 520s I see have it here. It says 520. Some don't have anything. Like this one. Maybe a different tank, whatever. Anyway, it has a 520 tag on. Doesn't really matter. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Take care.